Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make scroll in Figma. First, you'll need to understand that scrolling in Figma relies on proper frame setup. You'll create a frame for your content, and then another frame to act as the viewport. This allows you to define what part of your design is visible and what extends beyond the view. We'll cover the essential steps to get your designs moving smoothly. To implement vertical scrolling, begin by creating a frame that contains all your content, making it taller than the frame you want to scroll within. Next, select the outer, smaller frame, and in the prototype panel, change its overflow behavior to vertical scrolling. This tells Figma to allow movement up and down. Remember to keep your content organized within the larger frame for best results. For horizontal scrolling, the process is quite similar to vertical, but you'll focus on width. Create a content frame that is wider than the visible area you intend for your scroll. Then, select the parent frame and adjust its overflow property to horizontal scrolling in the Prototype tab. This enables side-to-side movement, perfect for carousels or wide data tables. You can even combine both vertical and horizontal scrolling within a single design for more intricate layouts, like a spreadsheet. Don't forget about fixed elements. You can pin headers or footers so they remain visible while the rest of the content scrolls. This adds a professional touch to your prototypes. Also, for some great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, please see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.